Hey guys, NV here, and in this video, we're going to go ahead and make a fallout symbol this time, since we've done the biohazards and a few versions of those as well. So I have the reference photo loaded in Photoshop right here, and what I want to do is zoom in here, and like before, we're going to go ahead and use this as a reference, okay? And all these are triangles, pretty much, as you can see. And what we're going to do, I'm going to tap the P key on the keyboard. This is the pen tool. And this isn't going to be very complex, so it won't be very hard to understand what I'm doing. And all I'm going to do is click with the pen tool one time on the side. Let me zoom in a little bit more. I like this right here. And I'm just going to click right here, just like so. Now what I'm going to do is hold the Shift key. And holding the Shift key will keep this a straight line. It will snap wherever I click. And for example, if I just let go of the Shift key and click up here, you see how it just kind of goes up there? Now I'll undo that and I'll hold Shift key again and click up here. And you can see straight line, okay? And that's what I want. So I'm going to hold the Shift key and click on this side right here, just right here, okay? Now I'm going to let go of the Shift key and I'm going to scrub down here to the bottom, zoom in here really close. And I'm going to click about right here, just like so. I'm going to zoom back out. I'm going to scrub up to this other corner because we're making a big loop. And you can see this dot right here, this little square anchor. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select directly on it and click. Boom. And now it's officially a shape. Okay. If I right click, say define custom shape, I'm not going to save this. I'm just showing you in the preview window. It's a shape. Okay. Now we have that. Let's tap the U key on the keyboard. What I'm going to do is hold Control and C. I'm going to copy it. Now Control V, pasting it. And now I'm going to Control and T. And what I'm going to do, zoom in. I'm going to take this crosshair, click and drag it down. Now what I don't want to do is snap it to this corner right here, this little anchor down here, because it's not quite proportional. The sign itself, the photo, isn't quite in perspective perfectly. So I'm going to drag it down at the very point right here, okay? As accurate as we can get it. And I'm just going to try to eyeball it here, right there. I'm going to zoom out, okay? I'm going to hold the Shift key and click, hold, rotate to the right, just like so. And confirm that. And now I'm going to hold Control and Alt, and I'm going to select just this shape, click, hold, and then grab the Shift key so it keeps it straight, snaps it in line, and drag it to about right here. I'm going to go to Edit, Transform Path, and flip horizontal. Didn't do much. I really didn't have to do that, but wanted to. Now what I'm going to do is make sure we're on this shape, and I'm going to hold Control and nudge it over with the right arrow key a couple times, just like so. And what I want to do one more time is select this top one. Just click Control and click on that. And I'm going to hold the down, tap the down arrow key one time, just like that. I'm going to zoom out here. And that looks pretty good. We don't have to worry about being accurate with the color of the sign itself, with the shapes, because we already made our own. And it will look exactly like that. I'm going to go ahead and name this fallout symbol. And I'm going to put, keep it just like it is. And now if I hold Control, tap the U key, right click, define custom shape, and there's our fallout symbol. Okay, we can save that. Now what I want to do is probably go ahead and save our project. But before I do that, I'm going to click on the background layer and I'm going to put a new layer down there by clicking this layer icon. And I'm going to hold Control and tap the backspace key. That way we can fill it with a solid color and we can see our symbol. Let's zoom in and do a little bit more inspection. Hide the pixel grid. Yeah, looks really good. I'm very pleased with it. I really am. And now what I want to do is save our image. So I'm just going to hold Control Shift and tap the S key instead of going up to File and Save As. And we're going to name it Fallout. And I'm going to put in parentheses original, okay? Because I want to do maybe one or two other versions, which isn't authentic, but it's fun to create alternative versions. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Save it as an image also, just like so. And I plan on doing, like I said, another video or two, creating alternative versions. I may show you how to make a sign, a fallout shelter sign, an authentic fallout shelter sign. And we're probably going to go ahead and add a capacity sign symbol here as well. And what that is it's a symbol showing, and you'd have a circle here, okay? And it would say capacity, and you would have a number, say 3,000. That's the max number it could hold, the shelter would be able to hold. So that's what I plan on doing in another video. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. And until next time, I will see you in another video.